The Light of Vesak, a story beyond lanterns. In the heart of Sri Lanka, beneath the quiet night sky, something truly magical comes to life. Not just lights, not just decorations, but stories, glowing stories of faith, devotion, and timeless wisdom. What you see here is not an ordinary lantern. It is a symbol of Gautama Buddha's sacred journey, his birth, his enlightenment, and his passing away, all remembered in one sacred celebration, Vesak festival. Look closely. Every curve, every pattern, every glowing light has been crafted with patience. Behind this masterpiece are hands that worked day and night, hearts that were filled with devotion, and minds that carried a single purpose: to spread peace. These lanterns are not made in a moment. They are built with sacrifice, with dedication, with love. Thousands of tiny lights come together as one, just like people, united in faith and harmony. And as they shine, they don't just light up the streets, they light up our souls. In this gentle glow, we are reminded to let go of anger, to embrace kindness, to walk the path of compassion that Lord Buddha taught us. For a moment, everything becomes still. The noise fades away. The world slows down. And all that remains is peace. This is the true beauty of Vesak. Not just what we see with our eyes, but what we feel in our hearts. So when you look at these lanterns, don't just see the light. Feel the story. Feel the devotion. Feel the peace. Because this is not just a festival. This is a reminder of how to live.